This is the fifth question. Draw the projection of the cube of 50 mm edge resting on one of its corners on HP, and when the body diagonal of the cube is perpendicular to VP. Body diagonal means, for a cube, it is the line joining the diagonally opposite corners on opposite sides of the cube. Okay, suppose if you take this point, this is the diagonally opposite point, so this is the body diagonal. For these 2 points, this is the body diagonal. Here is another one. Okay, so like that we can draw 4 body diagonals for a cube. And when we see in elevation, the body diagonals will be seen as like this. Okay, so in this question, this body, one of the body diagonal has to be made perpendicular to VP. We shall start by drawing XY line, and then we have to draw the plan of the cube such that when you rotate, it shall rest on the corner. Okay, so draw the plan. So equally inclined to vertical plane. Okay, this is the plan of the cube. You shall mark top as well as bottom face, then draw the elevation by drawing projectors. Okay. Even though it is given as 50 mm in the question, I have taken it only as 25 mm so that it will fit into this page. Okay, so the height is also 25 mm. Okay, this is the elevation. And now we can mark all the points. This is the bottom face, A, B, C, D, top face, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now we shall mark the body diagonal that we are considering in this case. So I am joining point A and G. So this is how it is looks like. And now we have to rotate it such that this body diagonal will become parallel to horizontal plane, that is parallel to XY line. Okay, so we have to draw a parallel line. At what height we will draw this parallel line so that the corner touches the XY line? For that we need to draw a perpendicular line at point C to this body diagonal. Okay, so this is that perpendicular line from point C that I marked to the body diagonal, that is the height of the diagonal from the XY plane. Okay, when you rotate it, that shall be the height. This diagonal shall be at that height. Okay, so I marked that height on a vertical line. And then I will draw a horizontal line on which we can mark the diagonal. Okay, so these 2 distances we can mark. So that we can mark the points A1 dash and G1 dash. And we can join the lines C1 and A1, C1 and G1. Okay, and now we have to locate the other corner, which is E1. Again, from the previous elevation we can get the distances. From A1 to E1 I am taking and drawing an arc, and from G1 to E1 I am taking the distance and drawing an arc. Okay, so that I